In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect or disconnect Stripe from Substack. If you run a Substack publication and want to accept paid subscriptions, Stripe is the secure payment processor that Substack uses. I'll walk you through where to click, what to expect, and a few tips so you're set up confidently. First, sign into your Substack account and look to the left-hand sidebar. Open your publications dashboard. This is the home base where you manage posts, audience, and monetization settings. From here, head into settings. It's in the same left menu and opens a page with sections for your publication's basics, email, and payments. Inside settings, locate the payment section and select Connect with Stripe. Clicking this launches Stripe's secure onboarding in a new view. You may be asked to log into an existing Stripe account, or if you're new to Stripe, you'll be guided to create one. Either way, Stripe will ask for standard business and payout details so it can route subscription revenue to your bank account. Take a moment to make sure the legal name, address, and bank information match your records. Accuracy here helps avoid payout delays and verification flags. After you confirm in Stripe, you'll be returned to Substack and should see that your publication is connected. At that point, you can set your paid subscription prices and start offering memberships. If you operate in a country where Stripe is supported and your bank accepts payouts in your chosen currency, you're good to go. If not, Stripe will let you know before finishing. A couple of helpful notes. Only owners or admins with billing permissions can connect payments. So if the options toolbox isn't visible, check your role on the publication. If a browser extension blocks redirects, temporarily disable it while you complete the connection. And for security, it's a good idea to enable two-factor authentication on your Stripe account. If you ever need to disconnect later, you'll manage that from the same payments area in Substack settings, next to where you connected. Keep in mind that disconnecting pauses new paid signups until you reconnect. That's the entire flow. Open your dashboard, go to settings, and choose Connect with Stripe, then complete the brief Stripe steps. Take your time with the details, and you'll be ready to accept paid subscriptions with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy publishing. See you in the next guide.